Hey everyone, I hope that this video finds you well. I'm just doing an update on things that are going on, information you should be receiving in the mail any day now, and just kind of a tutorial through the information that you were mailed. So per this morning, information was released today. Governor Doug Ducey has suspended schools for the rest of the school year, so schools will be closed till the end of school. Our superintendent, Dr. Lawler, has also posted that information on the Facebook page for Cartwright School District. I'm sure it's also on csd83.org. Please like us on Facebook, as well as the Cartwright School District website. CSD83 has a lot of updates, so please be watching those with information as well. The packets I'm going to walk you through are also available on CSD83's website. You can download, as well as I'm going to be downloading them to Google Classroom for students to be able to type answers and respond and interact with me through there. As a daily activity, reading and writing and math, science, and social studies are all available on ixl.com, in addition to the packet, if you are looking for more support at this time. For the next 2 weeks, we'll be doing the packets. I'll be supporting online every Monday at 11 a.m. unless asked for additional times. And then I will be able to give feedback on the packets. And within the next 2 weeks after the packet is completed, we will be beginning online learning, and more technology information is to come about that. All right, I'm going to walk you through the packets digitally through my share screen. So here they are. This is the 5th grade one. It has a suggested schedule that starts today. However, if it's not in the mail yet, you can't start today. About 3 pages a day are suggested at this time. These are specific review for our grade level. There's music, art, and PE information all included in the back. And on Remind, I have posted many things on Remind for you to support younger children at home, as well as your physical and emotional health. So here are some suggestions, pages 1 to 3 for today. It's in English and Spanish as well. Here is the first page. Starts with comprehension, which would be a reading piece with comprehension questions. And it walks through suggestions of what to do. You can see over here in the lighter numbers, you can see step-by-step directions. This is the first piece of reading. It's a passage comprehension, which means you'll use your comprehension skills. Highlighting, doing main idea and key details, summarizing each paragraph in 2 or 3 words. All of your comprehension skills you'll be using as usual. So you'll read, join the North School Walkers. Then you'll go back up. It says, authors of persuasive texts state their opinion or position and often give reasons and evidence to support it. The authors state their position in paragraph 1. So you'll go back to paragraph 1 and put a star next to the author's position. What does the author state or feel, or what's their position on joining the North School Walkers? So you'll read through paragraph 1 and put a star where the author's position is. Then in paragraphs 3 to 5, the author gives 3 reasons and evidence to support their position. Put a check mark in the margin next to each reason. Underline evidence that supports each reason. So you'll go back to those paragraphs, find the information, and you'll write it in the space here. What's their opinion? What's their text evidence? Opinion, reason, evidence. Reason number 2, evidence. Then reason number 3, and evidence. Then on another page, or I'm not sure if these are back to back, if there's room on the back, you'll write a summary of the text. using information from the chart to help you. So as we do on our summaries, always use text evidence. In addition, you can create a poster, illustrate, and explain a program that, in your opinion, would contribute to your community. Clearly state your opinion and give reasons and evidence to support it. So there's an additional activity there as well. So that's pages 1 and 2. And if you go back to the schedule, 3 would be included in day 1, whenever day 1 begins. And that would be from mathworksheetsland.com. And it's just adding and subtracting unlike mixed numbers. For this activity, you would have to convert the denominators in order to add or subtract them by using your math facts. So then you would do 4, 5, and 6, day 2. This one is about Earth's layers. Lots of bold print for you, lots of visuals to label. This is an Achieve 3000 lesson as well here. And icivics.org are other places you can find additional information as well as do more research. So anytime you see a website on here or a link, those are all things you can also do more research on. For this one, you'll write your response on a piece of paper with a thought question. What were the major points of disagreement between the Federalists and the Anti-Federalists about the U.S. Constitution? How was this dispute resolved? Use facts and details from the article in your answer. And there's a summary of views if you click right here, or in your packet, you can type that into a browser. And it's connected through Achieve, which you also have full access as well. So here's some more information about who they were. What do you think? What did they think rule? Which plan did they think was best? What about individual rights? What about the states? So there's lots of further information here as well. And the dictionary response here as far as definitions. So that would be day 2. And then day 3 goes into fractions, showing these as a fraction, 3 tenths, 3 over 10, and as a decimal, 0.3. First place to the right of the decimal is the tenths, so it would be 0.3. So that's the basic format of the packet that was sent out to you. You will get any day now if you haven't yet received. Just some review, some information. I'll be going over pages together weekly. So the next 2 weeks, this is what we'll be discussing. And then we'll be transitioning into online learning. More details to come on that. We are working on the fine print of that. However, iexcel.com is an amazing source that we have purchased for students in 5th grade this year. Reading, writing, math, science, social studies are all resources in there. They're all grade level based and they're all individualized instruction because it feeds off of your response. So please continue to use iexcel.com at this point as well. And these are the daily activities in the packets that were mailed to you. Okay, I will be seeing some of you at 11 o'clock on Zoom as well. Please get subscribed to Remind if you're not on Remind. That is how I'm communicating more often than weekly. Weekly, I will be calling as well. Okay, see you guys soon.